Hello everybody. So today we are going to look at the next planet in our solar system. Yesterday we spoke about Earth and we've learned about Mercury and Venus. But what comes after our planet Earth? I'll give you a hint. It's really dusty. It's drum roll, please. Mars. Now, you can tell I used the color. What color did I use to make Mars today? Good. It's red because it's known as the red dusty planet. Now, Mars is also right next to our planet. And what I wanted to do today for our activity, I have a piece of construction paper, and I also made a rectangle at the bottom where I'm going to write Mars, M-A-R-S. To make my Mars, I actually am using felt today. I thought it would be good to change it up and try something a little different. Now, if you don't have felt, that's totally okay. You can use foam, you can use cardboard, you can use cardstock, you can use construction paper. You can use, maybe you want to use paper towel, right? You can try something new. I'm using felt today, and it's a little trickier to cut felt, so just a heads up, if you try to do it, you need a little help. Just ask mom and dad, or if you get frustrated, remember, we just take a breath, because sometimes it takes a minute, and that's okay. I've got my felt, I've got my stars, my cutout star, a hole punch stars to make my Mars, and let's begin. Now, remember, the first thing we do when we make our Mars, or any activity, right? We write our name. So go ahead and give yourself a minute to write your name. I wrote A-L-L-I-E. I have the date, so I can save it for my memories. Now, remember when we write, we go from left to right. So I'm going to look at the letters. How did we spell Mars? M, M, A, A, R, R, S. So why don't we go ahead and start with the first letter? M, M. Down, up, down. So it should look a little something like that. A, A, R, R, S. Now Mars is only Mars. It's just one syllable, right? Just one clap. Mars. Perfect. Now we wrote our word Mars. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start by cutting out my felt. Now remember, like I said, felt's a little trickier to cut out. I'm using my scissors, but you guys can still use your safety scissors, right? And when you take your time, right? I might even get frustrated, but all I'm going to do is just remember to take a deep breath and to keep trying, right? Because I don't want to give up. I want to do my best. So I'm going to shut and follow. I'm going to follow the line. And remember, when you use your scissors, we don't cut our hair, we don't cut our clothes, we don't play with them near our face. We just cut our paper, or in this case, we're just cutting our felt. So I'm going to open, shut, and be careful of your fingers, right? We don't want to get hurt, so watch your fingers. Open, shut, and then I'm going to rotate. Wrist to the sky. Remember, your wrist is where your hair ties or bracelets or watches are. Open, shut. Yeah, and we don't want to rush, right? We take our time. You know, one thing that I like to add to Mars, because it's such a dusty planet, is I like to put red sand on it, or red glitter or something. If you don't have any of those at home, that's fine too. Because guess what? I don't have it at home either. But we're just going to go with the flow, right? But if you have them, more power to you. Do it. Add it to it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my glue. And I'm going to make a nice big circle on my paper and add my Mars. Now let's press. Maybe I'll add a little bit more over here, a little more over there. Okay, let's spell Mars while we hold it down. Ready? M-A-R-S. And if you need help remembering how to spell it, we just wrote it. So that's kind of fun, right? That'll help you. All right, cool. Added plenty of glue today. because with felt it might take a second to stick, so it happens too. But here you go. Voila! Our red planet is on. Now what we need to do is add some stars all around. So I have different color stars here today. I've got, ooh, what color is this star? Good, it's blue. So I've got some blue stars and some yellow. And you know what I just realized? I didn't even plan on doing this, but there's something special about red, blue, and yellow. Those three colors are called primary colors. And primary colors are special because if you mix any of those together, two of them together, it makes another color. Love them. They're beautiful colors. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of glue and put on my stars. I'm putting on 3 blue stars and 3 yellow stars. But you can put on whatever you're feeling, right? Maybe you want to put green stars. Maybe you want to put white stars. Maybe you want to put purple stars. Whatever. Enjoy it. Just have fun with it. I'm almost done and I will show you afterwards. And last but not least, ta-da! All right. Mars. Quick, easy, fun, but also educational. All right, you guys. Can't wait to see your Mars, and I hope you have fun with it, right? Enjoy yourself and try your best. See you next time.